I'll stay, we'll go till you leave first. So go, if you're ready to go, just make your move, though I won't walk. It's inevitable, and we both know where our heart. What's up, guys? Today we're doing Ready to Go by Cyrus. It's a great tune, and there weren't a lot of good videos for it online, basically just chords. So I'm going to teach you how to do the finger picking intro, as well as explain the chords a little bit more in depth for you beginners out there. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. We're going to have the capo on the 2nd fret, and we're using no pick, just our fingers. Okay, so let's start with that finger picking intro, which actually just goes all the way through into the verse as well. It's just the same 2 chords on loop, so it's F and C. And we have this finger picking on top to add some accent to it, to make it sound good. And so it's really just F and C back and forth, and then we're going to do this for the intro, and then the verse is the exact same thing. All right, so here it is, really slow. Okay, that's it. That's just one loop, and then this would go over and over and over again. So what are we doing? We got our fingers in an F chord shape to start. You can play F lots of ways. You can play like this, you can play it with the bar, but we're going to play it with just 3 fingers. Ring finger, 3rd string, 3rd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, pointer finger, 5th string, 1st fret. Alright, then I want you to take your pinky and put it on the 6th string, 3rd fret. Alright, then with our right hand, our thumb is in charge of 3rd string, pointer finger is in charge of 4th string. Alright, and then I want, you should put your ring finger in charge of 6th string, and middle in charge of 5th, but you could just do middle in charge of both. But I would advise using all 4 of your fingers except for your pinky. So thumb, everything but your pinky, if you can. So this is how we're going to start it off. It's thumb, 4th, 3rd, 4th, 3rd, 6th, 3rd, 4th, 3rd, 5th. So practice that. Okay, once you have that down, so you do one of those, 3rd, 4th, 3rd, and then we do something fun. So it's 3rd, 4th, 3rd, 6th, 3rd, 4th, 3rd, 5th, 3rd, 4th, 3rd, 5th. Hammer your pinky onto the 3rd fret of the 5th, and then 6th. So. Okay, sounds good. So combining that, it's all right. And then to finish this F off, we're just gonna do 3rd, 4th, and then we'll switch to our C. So F, the full F. All right. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the C, which from this position is not very big of a move. So we're just gonna take these 2 fingers and move them up a string. All right, so we have got the ring finger now on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, middle finger on this 3rd string, 2nd fret. Now your thumb's in charge of the 2nd string, okay? But everything else stays the same. So pointer finger still on the 4th, ring on the 6th, middle on the 5th. So now we're just gonna do 2nd, 4th, 2nd, 6th, 2nd, 4th, 2nd, 5th, 2nd, 4th, 2nd, 6th, 2nd, 4th, 2nd, 5th. And then we switch back. Okay, not too hard at all. And that's just gonna loop. So when the song starts, it's gonna start. Then she's gonna start singing. It's like, la, 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 la. She does the verse, okay? All the way up. We do that all the way up to the pre-chorus, okay? And the pre-chorus sounds like this. It's like, I'll stay, you'll go till you leave first. Okay, so that's 3 chords. This one is an A minor chord, so that's middle finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, and our pointer finger is going to stay where it's been this whole time. Okay. It sounds kind of like a C. Okay, very similar. So you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna move to an F. We're just strumming out here. An F, but this F is different. You get a new F, congratulations. So earlier we were doing this F. Now we're scooting this ring finger up to the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and putting our pinky finger down. That adds a little more body to the F, okay? So I'll stay, will go to C. And then we loop that. Till you leave first. So chorus. Okay, so what's the chorus? Not a lot of new chords here, we're learning one more, but this is how the chorus sounds. It's like, so go, if you're ready to go, just make your move, no, I won't follow. It's inevitable that we both know that we're on borrowed time. How fast and far it fly. If you're ready to go, just make your move, no, I won't follow. Okay, hope you got that. Starts off with an F, so go. Here's the strumming. So it's just down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down, down. So you're gonna do 2 strums on the F. Then we're gonna switch to a C. Then we're going to switch to a G. Okay, what's the G? Ring finger, 1st string, 3rd fret. Middle finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret. Pinky finger, 3rd fret of the 6th string. So we have 1 down. So it's go. C, D. Back to F. Twice. Then we go A minor. G again. Back to F. So remember how earlier I said that A and A minor and the C were very similar? In this song, they serve basically the same function. So in the chorus, it's going F, then either C or A minor, and then G, and then F, then either C or A minor, and then G. And so she just switches them out every other bar of the chorus. Okay? Hopefully you get that structure there. Now let's move on to another part of the song. Okay, and just wrapping it up, after that chorus, they do some more of those chords, and it's technically the post-chorus, and she's like, if you're ready to go, if you're ready to go, if you're ready to go, if you're ready to go. Okay, that's the post-chorus. She does that while she's singing. You can hear it. And then we move on to the verse again. The verse now, you can go back to the finger picking, or you can just do, I can't look at you, see past the ink on your face, smoke in the room. Okay, or you could just strum out the chords. So F and then C, F and then C. That's the whole song for you. The only thing extra that I can give you is after they do the chorus again, which is the same chorus, there's like an outro at the end of the song, and I think I hear in there an E chord. Okay, she's like ah, she's like, it's just ah, like she's saying ah, right? And you're hearing okay, so that's an E right here, and we're gonna add this 7. That means anything to you, but E is gonna be pointer finger and middle finger, 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then pinky finger is gonna go down here on the 5th string, 3rd fret. C, G. That's just the outro. You probably won't be playing that if you're just doing it for fun. But yeah, that's the whole song for you. Hopefully I added some value to your day. If I did, drop me a like, drop suggestions, and yeah, have a great day.